Hello, kids! Let's learn traffic ABC. Cars and trucks, big and small, come and learn one and all. A for ambulance. Ambulance need not go. B for bus. Bus, ride slow. C for car. Car, drive safe. D for dump truck. Dump truck, big and strong. E for excavator. Excavator, rube. F for fire truck. Fire truck, help us all. G for garbage truck. Garbage truck, clean the road. H for helicopter. Helicopter, fly in sky. I for ice cream van. Ice cream, yummy treat. J for jeep. Jeep, bumpy ride. K for kids bicycle. Bicycle, pedal slow. L for loader. Loader, lift and load. M for motorcycle. Motorcycle, helmet on. N for navy ship. Navy ship, sail the sea. O for oil tanker. Oil tanker, very big. P for police car. Police, keep us safe. Q for quad bike. Quad bike, fun to ride. R for road. Road, stay in line. S for school bus. School bus, kids inside. T for tractor. Tractor, farm machine. U for utility store. Utility, tools and more. V for van. Van, boxy car. W for wheel. Wheel, round and round. X for zebra crossing. Zebra crossing, walk slow. Y for yellow light. Yellow, ready now. Z for zebra crossing lines. Zebra crossing lines, walk on lines. Great job, kids! ABC done. Traffic learning, lots of fun.